You went to the University of Arkansas, went to medical school, University of Arkansas. Tell us about your experience and your practice.
So I went to the University of Arkansas in Fayetteville from undergrad, and UAMS in Little Rock for medical school, and then I trained at the VA hospital, at the Arkansas Children's Hospital, and UAMS in Little Rock, and then I've been practicing in Russellville for nearly 17 years. I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon. I recertified in 2015. My practice, being a general orthopedic surgeon in a smaller area, where there's not a lot of specialty, I can kind of guide my practice where I like it. So I do lots of most of the joint arthroplasty or joint replacement surgery, and then lots of the trauma in the area. I try to stray away from a lot of the sports stuff. I do it, but I have a more of an interest in joint replacement and trauma.
Right. So somebody comes in with a compound fractured femur. You deal with that.
Yes, I love that. Yeah, I mean, I don't love that, but yeah, I like it. Yeah.
You like the way it looks. when you go in the ER and there's...
I like the physical aspect of.
You like to solve the problem.
I like the physical aspect of orthopedics. I like the bigger stuff. There's obviously the arthroscopy and the ACL stuff, and the stuff that's more kind of in vogue with sports is I do it, but it's not my favorite thing to do.
Right, and we'll talk about the meniscal repairs later, because you need to hear this, boys and girls.